Continuing from the previous email where I thanked the client for accepting to work with us, the next email that I wanted to create was saying, and just informing them so they got a really good understanding of what the process is and what the expectations are. So we are looking at preparing for your home staging installation. As we gear up for the upcoming staging installation at your beautiful home, we want to ensure that the process goes seamless. Here is what we kindly request you to do prior to our arrival. So firstly is clear the space, remove personal items. Then secondly, secure valuables. While we carry insurance for our inventory, please secure any valuable or delicate items to prevent accidents. Then number 3, prepare access and ensure we have easy access to all areas. And then from there is we're thrilled about the transformation that's about to take place. Should you have any queries, contact us. And then lastly, our aim is to make this experience stress-free as possible for you. So when you are a client and you get updates like this and you know exactly what's happening, you know you're not left in the dark. So it's easier for you to feel more relaxed because you know what is going to happen. We all got a little bit of control freakness within ourselves. So notify your client and let them feel like they've got a little bit of control still so they know what is happening. Hope that was helpful.